Now request our respected principal ma'am to present the annual report for the academic year.
A very good morning to all of you. Education is the key that unlocks the golden door to freedom, said by George Washington Carver. Pursuit of excellence with sincerity of purpose is what Oxalis International School strives for. Our school stands as an example of what leadership with vision, commitment, discipline can achieve. Looking back at our journey in serving the cause of education, we are happy and proud of the memorable milestone we have crossed and the great strides made in every field of activity. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel honored to present you the annual report of our school 2025. To avoid a lengthy presentation, the report will be a nutshell of all our achievements. The number of students enrolled was 1,857, and we have a modern infrastructure for the senior secondary level with affiliation for both science and commerce streams. The sprawling 5-acre campus comprises of 80 classrooms, laboratories for mathematics, chemistry, physics, biology, language, computer science, IT, robotics, AI, beauty and wellness, travel and tourism, culinary arts, and composite labs. All the buildings are air-conditioned and fitted with CCTV surveillance. A bus pickup and drop service is also available. Staying updated is a key to success in any field, especially in the field of education. Our teachers constantly strive to stay updated. We are fortunate to have a cadre of nearly 132 teachers who are well-trained, experienced, dedicated, and capable of fulfilling the demands of the modern generations of our students. The school conducted workshops and training programs for all the teaching faculties. An orientation course was conducted by OneLearn on creative teaching methods. Our teachers' efficiency was reflected in the CBSE board examinations, NEET and JEE results. We are delighted to share there are students of grade 10 and 12 who appeared for the 2025 CBSE examination, passed out with flying colors, achieving 100% result. In grade 10, out of 141 students, more than 73 students scored above 400 marks. And in grade 12, out of 93 students, more than 52 students scored above 400 marks. Our school secured district first in both grades 10 and 12. A pride milestone, more than 23 students of Oxalis International School successfully cleared JEE mains, while 3 exceptional achievers conquered JEE Advanced and secured prestigious seats in NITs and IITs. The highest score so far stands at an outstanding 99.26 percentile in JEE mains, a shining testament to perseverance, brilliance, and purposeful learning. Another proud achievement, over 15 champions of Oxalis International School cracked NEET and secured seats in government medical colleges with the highest mark reaching 645. This accomplishment reflects resilience, brilliance, and the spirit of success. Oxalis International School stands tall among CBSE schools, redefining education through its hybrid learning program, cultivating values of adaptability, creativity, and purposeful learning. Every child potential is nurtured. As the only CBSE school in the entire district, Oxalis proudly sets the benchmark for academic excellence and innovation, offering students an opportunity to experience world-class education close to home. Our Oxalis International School proudly hosted an enriching Indo-Japan student exchange program, fostering global understanding, cultural appreciation, and collaborative learning. This initiative offered our students a rare opportunity to engage with Japanese peers through immersive academic and cultural experience. We adopted ourselves to the new education policy framed by NCF as planned. We are proud of our students and teachers to strive to achieve beyond expectations. We rely on activity-based and project-oriented teaching, as well as subject enrichment activities. Our nursery section follows the Happy Tot curriculum, while the primary section follows CBSE NCERT syllabus with the publication from OneLearn, a brand of Fortuna Picks. We focus on the holistic development of our students. Our students also participated in Olympiads, spell bee competitions, and other examinations. As the World Health Organization defined health in 1948 as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely as an absence of disease or infirmity. We give equal importance to the co-curricular activities. Our facilities include a swimming pool, basketball and volleyball courts, a football practice ground, a cricket net, an indoor badminton stadium, karate training arena, archery court, western and classical dance rooms, skating rink, gymnasium with yoga and gymnastic equipments, fitness centers, music production lab, and dance studios. Sport competition inculcate the spirit of positive challenges and sportsmanship among students. Preparing them for life ahead, our students actively participated in various championships and tournaments, winning medals, certificates, and trophies at international, national, and state level. The sports meet was held on 9 August 2025 and 30 August 2025 and went off smoothly. Strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from unity. Leadership is taught through the students' governing body led by the head boy and head girl. After the investiture ceremony, all the students are divided into 4 houses: Acme, Dawn, Oasis, and Zion, each with captains, vice captains, secretaries, prefects, and monitors. Various co-curricular activities are held under different clubs to develop students' physical, moral, social, and mental, and to hone the skills in co-scholastic areas. Regular club activities are held weekly where students participate and display their talents. Students of grade 1 to 12 planted saplings in our school premises on One Mahotsav Day. They also witnessed Animal Kingdom exhibition held in our campus. Our school also honored as the best school for providing an incredible environment by the honored former Governor Rosaya. We were also presented with the among the best international school in Tamil Nadu, awarded by the Olympic champion Mrs. Mary Kom. Furthermore, Oxalis International School was recognized as the most innovative school with quality education in Tamil Nadu by Honorable Governor Mr. Talwar Chand Gehlot. This prestigious honor reflects our pioneering spirit in redefining learning through innovation, inclusivity, and excellence. Our school is among the few in Tamil Nadu in the CBSE Chennai region to offer courses in beauty and wellness, fashion studies, healthcare, travel and tourism, artificial intelligence, information technology, and music production. We are proud to be the only CBSE school in Tamil Nadu to offer such wide range of courses. Soaring beyond limits, skipping into history, with a silver medal at CBSE National Rope Skipping Championship 2025, Master Shri Pradimana embodies perseverance, focus, and determination, proving that true success is built on discipline and passion. Shivani of grade 8 shines bright at the CBSE National Women's Cricket 2025, clinching the runner-up title with brilliance, resilience, and unstoppable spirit. Learning at Oxalis is never restricted within four walls. This year too, our students engage in numerous activities, including visiting to banks, railway station, and post offices, escorting guides, scouts and guides, club activities where various different activities were conducted in our campus. Traditional food festivals were celebrated, daily assemblies were conducted with topics on value education and life skill, tailored to the age groups. Newspapers were provided to our students, and based on that, the quiz competitions were conducted. International days such as International Yoga Day, World Environment Day were celebrated with enthusiasm. On Yoga Day, students performed yoga to raise awareness, while on Environment Day, trees were planted with the help of the Forest Department. National days like Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Republic Day, and various religious festivals such as Ramzan, Diwali, and Christmas were celebrated with due respect and joy. Many milestones have been achieved, and many more are yet to come. At Oxalis International School, we will continue our unceasing efforts to mold our young minds into well-balanced personalities with confidence and zeal, befitting the standards of this institution. This report is a sincere attempt to showcase our progress in the terms of achievement and activities during this academic year. On this memorable occasion, we recount our success.
Educate, Inglite, Elevate, Oxalis International CBSE School, and Bharathi's Educational Institution. You can easily reach out to us.